Welcome to Cooking with Miss Javi.
Alright, so before we start cooking, we have to wash our hands. So go to the toilet and wash your hands.
Welcome to my cooking show. Today we're going to make pancakes.
These are the ingredients for today's recipe.
2 bananas, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of self-raising flour.
Finally, you will need oil. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, you have to peel the bananas.
Then you have to match the bananas. Match the bananas like that.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you,
Secondly, lightly beat the eggs. Just like that, okay? Beat the eggs. You can do it.
Then we're going to mix it all together. So we have the eggs here. We're going to add the banana. Add the banana. And after that, we're going to add the flour. Flour. And now we're going to mix it. Then you have to add the mixture. You add the mixture here. And you flip the pancakes. You flip it. Flip the pancakes. Okay? And wait for them to be done. So that was it for today. This is the final result of our pancake. And I hope you enjoy it. And have a good day. Bye bye.